teach you how to combine some Beyblades. First, Pegasus, and second, Sagittario. You need some adjustment and adjust this first. And adjust Sagittario. Remove. And done. Sagittario. No, this is Pegasus and Sagittario. First, you decide what you want. This and the wheel of the Sagittario. Okay, and the head of the Pegasus. Okay, that. Second, the remaining is easy. And the wheel of the Pegasus. Combine. Okay, combine. Now adjust. Okay. Now adjust to another one. Just finish. Thank you for watching my video.